In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on a Nintendo DS Lite game system. First thing you're going to need is a precision Phillips head screwdriver to remove the cover. So this screw right here has to be removed. What you really need to do now is just shake it loose and it comes off. And right here is the battery. Now I'm just going to use a pry tool. See this tab right here? That's where you pull it out from. And that's the battery right here. Let me just give you a closer look. And to put the battery in, now I'm not going to put a new battery in right now, I'm just showing you how to do this. You would just slide it right back in like that. Put the cover back on. And just tighten the screw. So there you go, how to replace a battery on a Nintendo DS Lite. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up the video and thank you for tuning in.